Hello everyone. We all are very well aware about the changes in the criminal laws of India. But do we really know what really changed for the common people? For over 160 years, India followed the Indian Penal Code 1860, a law drafted during British rule. In 2024, this colonial era law was finally replaced by the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. While many people think this change only matters to the lawyers and judges, the truth is it directly affects ordinary citizens, their rights, and their daily interaction with the law. So, what actually changed for the common people? Let's start with the most talked about change, sedition. Sedition is gone. Under the IPC, Section 124A, sedition was often used against journalists, students, activists, and even social media users for criticizing the government. The BNS removes this offense entirely. Instead, it introduces provisions punishing acts that threaten the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India, but with a deeper, clearer, and narrower scope. For common citizens, this means less fear of criminal action just for expressing opinions or dissent. Another major change is the stronger focus on crimes against women and children. The BNS enhances punishments for serious offences and gives clearer definitions to prevent misuse and confusion. For example, offences like gang rape of minors now attract stricter penalties. This shift shows a move towards a victim-centric criminal justice system, something that was long demanded by society. One change that directly impacts everyday people is the emphasis on speedy justice. Delayed trials are one of the biggest problems in India's legal system. Under the BNS, timelines have been introduced for investigation, filing charge sheets, and delivering judgments. While challenges remain, this is a positive step for victims seeking justice and accused persons who often suffer for years before their cases are decided. The BNS also introduces community service as punishment for minor offences. Earlier, even small crimes could result in jail time, affecting a person's career and social life. Community service allows first-time or minor offenders to reform instead of being pushed into the prison system. This approach is especially beneficial for young people and reduces overcrowding in jails. Another important update is how the law deals with modern crimes. The IPC was drafted in a time when cybercrime, organized crime, and mob lynching were not realities. The BNS explicitly recognizes offences like organized crime, terrorism-related acts, and mob lynching, making the law more relevant to today's society. In simple terms, this shift from IPC to BNS is about moving away from colonial control towards citizen-focused justice. It aims to balance individual rights with national security, punish serious crimes more effectively, and deal with present-day challenges. For the common people, the BNS is not just a new law. It is a step toward a more modern, responsive, and humane criminal justice system. How well it works will depend on implementation, but the intent marks a significant change in India's legal journey. Thank you so much.